my life living in my small New York apartment. I'm not sure how much we're actually gonna be in my apartment this week, but I'm gonna be in here a lot, but I don't know like how much I'm actually gonna vlog in this apartment, but I'm about to go head to Reformation. I'm actually on a mission to find some wedding guest dresses because there's a bunch of weddings that are happening next year for some of my friends. So I thought, let's just go check it out. So somehow it's already dark. I'm heading to Lisette now. Can't decide which style of white t-shirt. I was thinking the fitted one. Pizza time. I've been really wanting to do a holiday activity, so Arthur and I are gonna go ice skating in Central Park. This is actually something that's been on my bucket list for winter before I head home. I think it's fun to have a winter bucket list, especially when you live in a big city. Just having the ideas put on paper and you are aware of the things that you would like to do, and it will just probably get you to do them.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let me know, right?
It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be more than what she got. That's good. Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
That is good. I was like, mushroom pesto. That's good.
Gonna take all my supplements right now and then head to the gym, but I cannot get over how fast these kids were going last night. I consider myself to be pretty coordinated, but it was literally like a danger zone with like these kids flying by and like crashing into people. It was actually kind of scary. I think it was just too crowded. Nonetheless, it was really fun and it was so great to catch up with Arthur. We always have like the best conversations. He's like one of my really close friends here. Yeah, so let's get into the supplement routine. We have magnesium glycinate. L-threonate. Sometimes I forget I have these, but I'm just gonna start taking them again. It honestly tastes pretty good too. It's almond butter, coconut nectar, almond oil, vanilla, and sea salt. That is delicious. I'm gonna do my creatine and then B12 and vitamin D. It's also important to not take B12 while you're drinking coffee. Like within an hour you wanna wait, because the coffee will prevent this from doing anything for you. So what's happening today? I'm gonna do some returns. I need to pick up something at Nordstrom. I'm not somebody who needs like a ton of bras to survive. Like I will be fine with just a few on rotation. I figured why not just have one more? And along with that, I also ordered a pair of PJ shorts from Skims. I'm more of like a t-shirt and sweats person around the apartment, and when I go to sleep. This is Skims and I really like it. I just love the color. The only thing is the sleeves are long. And then I've been wearing my Aritzia sweats. So today's workout is gonna be my usual lower body routine. Reverse lunges, I always love doing something with the barbell. It's using more muscles. I forget what the term is called. Do more glutes. We'll do inner thighs, quads, I think. I wanted to share some of my favorite things that I've been using for a while now, but I actually restocked on my favorite shampoo. This is from Verb. I always double shampoo, and the stuff does cleanse my hair pretty well. And I like that it has no parabens or sulfates, and it's only 25 bucks for this huge bottle. You can find it at TJ Maxx. And then this is something I highly recommend. It's the salicylic acid cleanser from the Inky List. I've been using this non-stop for maybe like the past year and a half now. The reason why I ended up using this was first because they sent it to me, but also because I was trying to make the switch from benzoyl peroxide to a different cleanser, and I felt like any other cleanser that didn't have benzoyl peroxide in it didn't actually keep my skin clear. So I started using this when I got it, and I ended up really loving it, and it's also very affordable. And then for after the shower, my favorites are from this brand called Iota Glowy Body Serum. It's basically just a moisturizer, and I was gonna put some on if you want to see the texture. But this is good for keratosis pilaris. From the same brand, they have this diamond truffle oil. It smells really good. I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna go do one of my returns. I'm just returning a mini skirt from Revolve. Oh yeah, and then I want to get groceries. So this is what $75 gets you at Whole Foods in New York. So I really wanted to get some flowers. I love lilies. I'm surprised that these are still even here because I thought they weren't in season. They're like a spring flower. So beautiful when they open up and they get huge. I had them over the summer. So I treated myself because why the heck not? It might be a little underwhelming, but it's okay. Okay, so let's get into the haul. We got 2 of these, plain and mango. Baby spinach, 3 Owen protein shakes just to make it easy on myself to have protein. And I'm gonna finally try the caramel one. Oh wait, no, it's pumpkin. Or not pumpkin, it's peanut butter. Actually, no, it's no nut buttercup. Rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna have some right now. Mini avocados, mozzarella sticks, the Parmesan goodles, a block of firm tofu, and some mandarins. I just had chicken and carrots, which you did not need to see. I am having the protein shake that I was talking about because I wanted something sweet, and this is actually pretty good. I'd say it tastes pretty similar to the chocolate one though, so I don't know. They're all good. All the flavors are good. This is my favorite brand of protein shakes. I'd say they are kind of a splurge though. I don't think my grocery haul should have been 75 bucks. It's the next day and I still have not picked up my Nordstrom order. I've been working on my computer for a while this morning and I also dropped off my laundry. It is getting really cold outside that I've been like very unmotivated to go do my errands because they're just the unnecessary errands, but they are kind of necessary in a way. The reason being because my friend Paola gets here next week, and if I want to be prepared for that, then I need to run these errands. But in the practical sense of do I really need these things? The answer is no. Plan is to go to Marshall's, Aritzia, Calzedonia, and Best Buy. Calzedonia is probably the most necessary out of all of these because it is for the fleece line leggings or tights. I had a pair from this one Chinese website and they literally are so tight on the butt, and the butt has like these lines in it that it like flattens it until it's concave, like until it is inverted basically. And they're just uncomfortable. So I wanted to get a pair from Calzedonia, although I don't know if they're gonna rip or not. This is the base layer to my outfit. Leggings because my long johns are in the wash and I can't find my other pair. This note to self crew neck. I love Peyton Sarton in her podcast, so I love wearing this crew neck. And I love how it matches the leggings a little bit. I'm gonna put on jeans on top of this and then wear my super puff. So I ended up bopping into Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and it is so overwhelming. There's so much stuff that I didn't feel like digging, but I did do like a quick browse. Now I'm gonna head to Aritzia to see if they have the fur scarf. But I'm glad I got my tights. I ended up getting like lace ones, like burgundy and black. Because I feel like the tights and the accessories is like how you're gonna make your outfit like a little bit more interesting. Okay, I tried on the scarf at Aritzia. They only had the black, but it actually was like, it was a little too short and it wasn't sitting right. So I forgot to say what my whole plan was, but in the beginning of this video, I was looking at that silk dress at Reformation and I decided not to get it because I felt like I wasn't crazy enough about it, like the fit. I think it was flattering and all that, but not like what I'm going for. I really like a wow factor, like a jaw-dropping effect, like an open back or something. So I didn't get that, but then I have 2 weddings in the spring to go to. And then I'm going to the ballet with Paola when she's here. And so I ended up ordering a couple like long dresses from Revolve. I basically thought that the fur scarf would be cool to put on top of the gown as like one of those things that lays on your shoulder, but that's not what the Aritzia one was giving. I'm gonna cook ribeye steak tonight. It's a small, thin one that I got from Whole Foods. I'm excited. I'm gonna just prep it with, I'm just gonna put butter and olive oil in the pan. I'm just gonna salt it. In Paris, I ended up eating a lot of steak, and it just made me realize how much I love it, and I never was very into it before. I normally just have chicken, salmon, sushi, and like ground turkey, but I've really come to appreciate a good steak, so I thought I would learn how to make one. The crazy thing about living alone is that you can go days, not days, but I mean you could, I guess, if you wanted to. I've gone pretty much all day not speaking to anybody. I even got a meat thermometer. We are official. Steak is ready, and then I'm just having some carrots. But the one thing I forgot is that I do not have a steak knife. I definitely cooked it too long, but still tastes good. It's a little dry though. So I ended up freaking myself out last night. I crashed out a little bit because my fridge actually isn't working. My freezer isn't working. And then I got nervous about the meat that I just cooked and ate. So I called my mom. If I had bad meat, would I have known? Maybe raw meat just stinks a little bit in general, but it wasn't rancid, so I thought it was probably fine. And then here I am 10 hours later, 12 hours later, and I'm alive and well, so we're okay. But my freezer is broken. Everything in it is mush, and my fridge isn't very cold. So I called my super finally, and he's gonna come over, but I had to unplug the fridge, and I had to take this out of here because I was like, how the heck do I get back there? And while he's here, we're gonna investigate my running toilet. Fun apartment things in New York. That's why I just stopped vlogging last night. My super ended up coming over here, and he replaced the rubber gasket, is that what it's called, on the toilet, and now it's not running anymore, but he still says something's wrong with it because the lever is loose or something. Tackling one problem at a time. And then I also forgot that one of my lights in the bathroom is flickering, and it's been flickering probably for like 7 months now. The only reason why I called him was because of my fridge, and like all my food is compromised, I think. Yeah, I was like definitely putting off having him come over here because I just didn't want him coming into my apartment or having like maintenance related coming in here when I wasn't home. That is why I put off the toilet and the light for so long, but this fridge is what pushed me to tackle the problem finally. This vlog has taken a turn because it is not really that happy-go-lucky anymore. I had my crash out last night, and I'm going to just go get ice cream with Destiny. We're gonna go to Butterfield Market. So we're getting chicken fried rice, egg, and scallions.
I have a gluten-free flutter butter cinnamon roll, I think, guacamole, and some fresh corn tortillas.
Yeah.
Dead, but it's okay.
And then I also want to get mac and cheese.
Oh yeah.
And I'm trying to decide on my dessert.
Oh my god, that's salted caramel cheesecake.
So many temptations.
Oh,
What are we gonna do?
I want it all. $8? Do I really need a $12 gluten-free cinnamon roll?
I think this is a better deal.
I should get a cake, yeah.
Well, there isn't a cake that I am drawn to, except maybe this one. I might get the tart chocolate mousse cake. What is that exactly?
Sprinkles.
But like inside there's cake.
I'm assuming so.
Oh,
Classic white cake. Jeans.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the chocolate. Do I want the chocolate?
Why not? It looks cute.
It's fuzzy.
No, that's the cocoa powder.
Do like a little walk by.
You got it. Should look at the movie.
So I ended up getting the Kate Bartlett collab froyo. Chocolate froyo with chocolate chips and fresh strawberries and some like chocolate sauce. It looks really good. And then Destiny ended up changing up her mind and got tea time sandwiches. Came to retail consignments, what's it called? Oh, boutique resale. I think Les Boutique Resale maybe? Came in here on a whim and we saw this dress and I think I'm just gonna get it. It's perfect for the ballet, but maybe perfect for even just a wedding. So super elegant and interesting.